Welcome back to my channel. So my featured plant today is the Verbena Brampton, and I'm going to be showing you how I have grown it in my garden and talk a little bit about it. So we're looking at the Verbena Brampton in my border, and it is quite a bushy but upright perennial. Of course, you can see that it's got wiry branches with this tiny purple foliage and flowers, and it starts flowering in the summer and all through the mid-autumn. And I like it because of the bushiness and also the fact that it's very much appropriate, ideal for this part of the border. See, the location is about the middle of the border. So if you're looking for something to put in the middle of the border, I think you got it in the Verbena. And it also sort of dominates that area with the way it's spread. So the height is about 0.5 meters to 1 meter. It can grow that tall, but in this case I think this is just about 0.75 meters, and I've had this for about 3 years now. Of course, because it's a perennial, it comes and goes in the winter time, and it's spreading for about between 0 and 1 meter. So in this case I have just 2 of it here, so that you can see here it doesn't look like it's one plant, because each time it comes back you have many more of it. And I just like the way it established itself in that part of the border. The foliage, you can see it's green with purple tinges, and of course the stem also has some purplish character to it. So it's something you may want to try out if you find you want something for the middle of the border in your garden. It grows well in a sandy soil, and my sand in this garden is sandy and it's well drained. So if you've got a well drained location in your garden, that's where you want to think of planting this. Well, I know it does really well in full sun, but my location doesn't get a lot of sun because I've got trees overshadowing this area. So it does get some sun, but not full sun all the time. But it's done well in this location, and because of the way it's established itself, I think I'll be happy to say that it can tolerate a little bit of less light, because it's doing well in my location here. Also, I can say that with this, the way mine is behaved, it's easy to propagate, even though I haven't really made an attempt of propagating, but I think I would probably do it next time by dividing and see if I can get more plants from it. And it's suitable, like you have seen now, at the middle of a border. And if you want, you can also put it in the side of a wall, or maybe if you really want something that is low maintenance, there you are, you got your plant. I rarely do anything with this one, and it just goes and it's just there. Once it comes up in the summer, it's just there and does its things, just makes this area beautiful. And even when it starts dying back in the winter, it still has a nice structure, because all the spikes remain and the structure remains, and they just form a nice clump that on its own is beautiful to look at in the winter time. So, but when it's getting towards the end of winter, come spring, I tend to then cut it back so that I can encourage new growth to come at the bottom in this area. So I've been pleased with it, and I know you would like it if you try this in your garden. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.